In this video, I'm going to show you how I gave this foyer a makeover with a little bit of paint and cleaning. I'm going to show you how I took it from this to this. We were selling the house and we had to do something with the foyer, and we didn't want to spend a lot of money. Now this area of the house had everything it needed, it just needed to be freshened up. Now this foyer was remodeled about 15 or 20 years ago. Now the oak trim was in great shape, it was just very dirty. Oak trim has an open grain to it, and because it's an open grain, it fills with dirt, and there's nothing you can do to get that out. Now I can hear it now. Oh my God, he's painting the oak trim. In order to get the fresh look we needed to sell the house, it had to be done. What I'm going to do first is tell you the one thing I did that's a little bit out of the ordinary. The rest of it is pretty much your basic patching and painting. The other thing I did that I'm not sure if I showed it in the video is I changed the outlets and switches from regular to Decora. After I've explained that one procedure I was talking about, I'm not going to narrate and I'm going to fast forward the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you there. What I did with the exterior doors and the trim was used white satin spray paint. The entrance door to this house had metal skins over a wood core. I don't like painting them with a brush and latex paint because then the brush marks show, and I like the doors to look new, so I used spray paint to achieve this. The oak trim was stained and varnished, so the trim will need to be primered. If you're going to paint the trim white and you don't primer it, it will turn yellow as it dries. To do this, you should use an oil-based primer. Oil-based primer takes a long time to dry. I use white satin spray paint. It's easy to spray on, and depending on the temperature and humidity, it should only take about a half an hour to dry. Now this back door is a wooden door, and it's never been painted in the 15 or 20 years. I use the same spray paint for this door for the same reasons, for priming and the brush mark. Now, onto the video. cost less than $100 to clean up this foyer. We were putting the house up for sale and didn't want to spend a ton of money. And I wanted you to see what you can do with just a little bit of paint and cleaning. We put the house on the market a couple of days later, and it sold within a week. They didn't even have time to put the sign in the lawn. I hope this video helped. Until next time, thanks for watching.